ready to transform your Night Rod Special's ride and handling from stiff and predictable to smooth and planted. Today, we are installing these progressive suspension for 144 shocks, a fantastic upgrade to bring out the best in your Night Rod. First, gather your tools. You'll need a good socket set and wrenches, a torque wrench for precise tightening, a reliable motorcycle lift or jack stands for safe elevation, safety glasses, gloves, and some anti-seize compound. With your bike securely elevated and the rear wheel free, safety is paramount. Make sure your bike is absolutely stable before proceeding. We'll start by locating the top mounting bolt for the stock rear shock. Using the appropriate socket, carefully loosen and remove this bolt. Next, move to the lower shock mount, which connects the shock to the swing arm. Again, use your socket to loosen and remove this bolt. Now, gently detach the old shock from its mounts. Here's the new progressive for 144. Notice the quality difference. Align the new shock with the upper mounting point. Reinsert the upper bolt, hand tightening it for now. Now, position the lower end of the shock to align with the swing arm mount. Insert the lower bolt and hand tighten it as well. It's time for precision using your torque wrench. Tighten the upper shock mount bolt to the manufacturer's specified torque. And do the same for the lower shock mount bolt, ensuring it's torqued correctly. Repeat this process for the other side of your Night Rod Special. Once both new shocks are securely installed and torqued, carefully lower your motorcycle. And there you have it. Your Night Rod Special is now equipped with progressive suspension for 44s, ready for a significantly improved ride.